Ever wondered if you truly need a high-priced lawyer for every single legal hurdle in life or business? Are you looking for a more accessible, affordable, and straightforward way to handle your legal needs without feeling overwhelmed by jargon and hourly rates? If so, you've likely come across LegalZoom, one of the most prominent names in online legal services. But with so many options out there, the big question remains, what is LegalZoom actually good for? Today, we're diving deep into LegalZoom to explore its strengths, what kinds of services it excels at, and ultimately, who stands to benefit the most from using it. We'll break down its offerings, compare it to traditional legal avenues, and help you decide if it's the right solution for your specific situation. Let's face it, legal matters can be intimidating. From starting a new business to protecting your intellectual property, drafting a will, or even navigating a divorce, the legal landscape can feel like a minefield. Historically, your only real option was to find and hire a lawyer, which often meant significant time commitments, opaque billing, and the nagging worry about escalating costs. This is where online legal service providers like LegalZoom stepped in, aiming to democratize access to legal support. They promise to simplify complex legal processes, offer transparent pricing, and make essential legal documents and services readily available at your fingertips. But not all online legal platforms are created equal, and understanding LegalZoom's specific sweet spots is key. So let's get into the core of it. LegalZoom is particularly strong in several key areas, making it a valuable tool for a wide range of individuals and small businesses. First and foremost, LegalZoom excels at business formation. If you're looking to launch a new venture, whether it's a sole proprietorship, an LLC, a corporation, or even a nonprofit, LegalZoom offers a streamlined process to get your entity officially registered with the state. This is arguably one of their most popular and impactful services. They handle the often confusing paperwork, ensuring your articles of organization or articles of incorporation are correctly filed. Many entrepreneurs find this invaluable, as it takes away a significant administrative burden and helps them avoid costly errors that could delay their business launch. Beyond just filing, LegalZoom often includes services like obtaining a federal tax ID, EIN, which is crucial for tax purposes and opening business bank accounts. They can also assist with drafting essential internal documents like operating agreements for LLCs or bylaws for corporations, providing a solid legal foundation for your new business. Secondly, LegalZoom is a strong contender for intellectual property protection. In today's digital age, protecting your brand, creations, and innovations is more important than ever. LegalZoom offers services for trademark registration and copyright registration. If you have a business name, logo, slogan, or a creative work like a book, song, or artwork that you want to safeguard, LegalZoom can guide you through the filing process with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office or the U.S. Copyright Office. They even offer comprehensive trademark searches to help you assess the availability of your desired mark before you commit to registration, potentially saving you a lot of headaches down the line. While complex patent applications might still warrant a specialized patent attorney, for trademarks and copyrights, LegalZoom provides an accessible and often more affordable pathway. Third, for individuals, LegalZoom is incredibly useful for estate planning. This is a critical area that many people put off due to perceived complexity or cost. LegalZoom simplifies the creation of essential estate planning documents such as last wills and testaments, living trusts, and power of attorney forms. These documents are vital for ensuring your wishes are honored regarding your assets, healthcare, and the care of your loved ones after you're gone. The platform provides user-friendly questionnaires that guide you through the process, helping you customize these documents to your specific needs. While a truly complex estate might still benefit from a dedicated estate planning attorney, for many individuals with straightforward assets, LegalZoom offers a reliable and cost-effective solution for achieving peace of mind. Beyond these core offerings, LegalZoom provides a broad spectrum of other valuable services. They offer registered agent services, which are legally required for many business entities, and ensure you receive official correspondence. They can help with various legal forms and agreements, such as non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, employment contracts, and lease agreements, providing customizable templates that can save you time and money compared to drafting them from scratch or hiring a lawyer for every single form. They also have legal plans that offer access to a network of attorneys for consultations on new legal topics, offering a hybrid approach for those who want a blend of DIY and professional guidance. This can be particularly beneficial for small business owners who might have ongoing legal questions but don't want to retain a full-time lawyer. So, what makes LegalZoom a good choice over, say, walking into a traditional law firm? The primary advantages often boil down to accessibility, affordability, and convenience. LegalZoom breaks down geographical barriers, allowing you to access legal services from anywhere with an internet connection. Their pricing is generally transparent and often significantly lower than hourly rates charged by traditional attorneys, especially for routine legal tasks. The platform's user-friendly interface guides you through processes step by step, making legal tasks less daunting for those without legal expertise. For many basic and common legal needs, LegalZoom provides a perfectly adequate and efficient solution. However, it's crucial to understand LegalZoom's limitations. LegalZoom is not a law firm and cannot provide legal advice or represent you in court. While they offer attorney access through their legal plans, these are consultations and not a full attorney-client relationship for complex litigation. If your legal situation is highly complex, involves a dispute, or requires court representation, a traditional attorney is still the best and often only option. LegalZoom is designed for standardized legal processes and document preparation, not intricate legal strategy or negotiation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.